Good morning.
Good morning.
Topic 1. We go through legal topics, and we have 3 of them here. Topic 1. Churches, do they need to comply with transgender bathroom laws?
Well, this is coming out of Iowa, where they haven't been sued yet, but it's getting pretty close to it by saying, you have to comply with this transgender. Look, if churches want to comply out of their own morality, volition, whatever, they can certainly, but they do not have to. Houses of worship are not places of public accommodation. Now, you know that places of public accommodation must comply under the Title II of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. But places of houses of worship are not places of public accommodation, so they do not have to. Places of public accommodation, of course, are restaurants, inns, hotels, places that put themselves out there for profit, not churches.
Could you imagine forcing the Westboro Baptist Church to accept gays and
right? Now, again, if they want to, for whatever the congregation says, we feel that this is the right thing to do, blah blah blah. Then of course, I'm not saying that they shouldn't, but they don't have to.
Here I'm seeing a lot of bathrooms that are called family restrooms.
There you go.
And,
traditionally, family restrooms, that way I have meant them to, because I've had 2 kids. Family restaurants are for restrooms are for restaurants. Family restaurants. Restrooms are for moms and dads to go in with the kids, the babies, and change their diapers. And that's how I've historically done it. It's a place for me to go with my babies, for me to go and change their diapers. And
most times those are single stall, door shut, and you could that would work.
But again, what I've used it is it's a place where you pull down the. There's usually a place where you can kind of pull down a thing there, like an ironing board almost, and you plop the kid down and you change your diaper.
Yeah, that's clean.
Not so much. But if we're getting into details here, I always brought like a little thing to put down, a little plastic thing to put down on top of it, and then put the baby's butt down on that.
Snapchat faces lawsuit for explicit material from third-party companies.
Yes, and big Mark Garagos, who's very flamboyant, sort of defense lawyer. He defended Scott Peterson out there in California. I know him pretty well, actually. Good attorney. He's filing. He's trying to make a buck. And, that's what defense lawyers do. Good for them. But I don't think he has a case. I think Snapchat is, obviously a deep pocket, and that's why he's bringing the case. But Snapchat has pretty right there on the when you sign up for it. It's not for kids under 13, and they say it's got sexually explicit stuff. I looked at what some of this stuff was. It was kind of funny. It's like, have you become impregnated by an alien?
It's crazy.
So look, I think it's Garagos just trying to make a buck as a defense lawyer. Again, good for him, but I don't think they really have a case.
Third topic, a court ruled, and this was, I was confused by this, court ruled that it could be a federal crime to share your Netflix password.
Yeah, this is a guy, gosh, and I'm so sorry. I'm doing this from home, and it's like, why does the lawnmower go? It's not even my lawnmower, so I really apologize. I'm like trying to run away from the lawnmower everywhere I go. So out of the Ninth Circuit, Margaret McEwen, who I actually worked with, I was an associate when I was just a baby lawyer in the law firm where she was a partner. She's a really smart lady. She wrote this opinion out of the Ninth Circuit that if you share your Netflix password, what happened, a guy shared a different password. He was fired by a company, and he went to a competitor. He went back to the company where another guy was there, and from that guy, he said, hey, can I use your password to get into where he was formerly working and use it to get information from that competitor to give to another competitor?
Got it.
Right. So what McEwen said is, what it could be if you take that out of context, it could be if you give your kid your password to Netflix, if you take that to an extreme, that could be committing a federal crime. Okay. It's not really good. What she's saying is, slippery slope and all that. It could actually be seen as a federal crime. Will it be prosecuted? Of course not.
Right. All right. As always, we love having you on, Lis Wiehl. You can see her on Fox News, and thanks so much.
You got it. Take care.